Let's study glaucoma. The topic of ophthalmology. Ophthalmology is study of eyes. Okay. So what is glaucoma? Starting with the definition. Glaucoma is the group of eye disease. Group of eye disease in which the intraocular pressure gets elevated. Increase in intraocular pressure, which results in damage in optic nerve. Optic nerve, which is situated, these are eyes, this is optic nerve, which carries the sensory signal towards the occipital lobe. This optic nerve gets damaged because of the increase in intraocular pressure in the eye. Intraocular pressure is due to aqueous humor and vitreous humor in the eyes. We will see in the diagram. Let's first know about the anatomy of eye. This is the cornea of eyes. This is optic nerve fibers. These are the optic nerve fibers of eyes. Okay. This is cornea, which is transparent. And three layers of eyes are cornea, sclera and retina. This is retina. Okay. This is lens. The rays are coming at the lens, converges and falls at the retina. Okay. So we can get the image of the picture what we are seeing. Okay. These are ciliary muscles which holds the lens in its position. This is pupil, which constrict and dilate to control the frequency or intensity of light coming. If the intensity of light is more, pupil will constrict, and if the intensity is less, then pupil will dilate. Okay? And this is iris, which controls the color of the eyes. Okay? This is cornea. Iris is up to this extent. And here there is a vitreous humor. Vitreous humor. Okay? Humor means liquid. Okay, aqueous fluid. And here there is aqueous humor. Aqueous humor. So what happens actually? What is the pathophysiology behind glaucoma? Let's see the pathophysiology. This is the normal anatomy. Let's see the pathophysiology. What is normal and what gets abnormal in it? What is the defect? So first, this aqueous humor and vitreous humor, they are producing continuously in our eyes. But where the wasting humor goes, where the what we can say, where the खराब humor, the खराब liquid, खराब झालेला liquid, जो liquid खराब हो गया वो किधर जाता है? So there is a meshwork called as trabecular meshwork. It drains into it and drains into episcleral vein. Okay, it drains into episcleral vein, which is a minor vein in the eye. This is the normal drainage pathway. Any defect in it, any blockage in this drainage causes glaucoma. Okay. First, we have to rule out where is the blockage really is. If we understand the cause, we can treat it accordingly. Okay. So we will come later into the treatment. First, we will see types of glaucoma. Now see this first. This is iris and this is inner ciliary muscles. See the angle between them. This is normal. And let's see the types of glaucoma. There are two types of glaucoma. Open angle and closed angle. Okay. In the open angle glaucoma, there is obtuse angle between. This is iris this is ciliary muscles. There is obtuse angle between iris and ciliary muscle. In the close angle, glaucoma, it is like this. The angle between iris and ciliary muscle decreases. Okay. Now why this is happens? In the open angle glaucoma, there is increase of vitreous humor, which is the cause of elevation of intraocular pressure. Okay. And in close angle glaucoma, there is increase in aqueous humor, which also increases intraocular pressure. So on the basis of which type of intraocular pressure is increases, there are two types of glaucoma: close angle and open angle glaucoma. In which the open angle glaucoma is more dangerous. It is more dangerous. It causes permanent vision loss. The sign and symptoms of glaucoma are blood occasionally comes or not, redness in eyes, watering in eyes, pain in eyes, fever. Okay. So according to the sign and symptoms, we have treatment, that is, we can give antipyretics for the fever, to control the fever, that is paracetamol. And to control the pain, we can give prostaglandins or NSAIDs like non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs like diclofenac and all. And to control the intraocular pressure, we can give antihistaminic drugs, or we can advise the surgery, that is trabeculectomy. And before that, in the investigation, there is tonometry, which measures intraocular pressure. Tonometry measures the intraocular pressure, so that we can rule out the glaucoma. So we have seen definition. Complication is the permanent vision loss. We have seen definition, sign and symptoms, pathophysiology behind the glaucoma, and then we have seen the anatomy normal, and we have seen the treatment. Treatment is more vast, but we have seen it in the broad way. Okay. And complications. Thank you.